Okay, this is the Legon Botanical Gardens, and this is a small lake, right?
Yeah.
Where you can come and then enjoy yourself on a weekend. So we are basically on a canoe, and the canoe guy is called Yao, and that's a waterbed over there. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in so I can see the waterbed. Right, that's the waterbed. Fishing for food.
That's another one here.
Oh, that's another one.
That's also one.
There, it's trying to go into the palm branches.
Wait, is a tree growing in the lake?
Yeah, grows in the lake. So this is a nice thing to do in case you have nothing doing on a weekend and you want to,
Come out and touch grass.
yeah, and spend time away from your,
There's nothing wrong.
yeah. So you come here. So Jocelyn has done that for the first time. She's moved out this year. It's a nice thing. You enjoy the breeze, everything. You enjoy everything, and we're on a canoe. See that? And that is a what, canopy walk.
Yeah, canopy walk.
Yeah. So we're all ready.
So when do you think you'll be ready for us to go to Keta so that I can tell Alfred to prepare?
Let
So
me.
we have to plan where we are going to. It's going to be the weekend, right? So we set off Friday after work.
Yeah.
Um, we have to sleep there. So we have to sleep 2 nights,
Okay.
and then we come back at
Let me
Sunday.
pause the video. Okay, I'll put music.